Right here we have a 2005 Harley-Davidson FL-HRC Road King Classic in color fire engine red. Bike looks great. Let's see what it sounds like in a second. Check the miles. Under 50,000. That's low miles on an 05. Really nice sounding pair of Bub's pipes on it. Bub pipes. Bike looks great, sounds great, and is priced right. Would look good next to a firefighter, or a fire engine, or it would look even better in your garage. Come on out to North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos and test ride this Firefighter Red Beauty today. We're open 7 days a week.